So this is exactly how you can make $10,000 or more for your life coaching business in 30 days or less with profitable presentations using the Life Coach Launch system.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to talk about how you can use our system, Life Coach Launch, to make more money, and how you can use it to go out there with a profitable presentation to go out there and sign up new clients here in the next 30 days or in the next few days, so you can be well on your way to creating your first or your next 10K payday for your life coach and healing business. Without any further ado, let's break this down and talk to you about how you can make more money as a life coach here really quickly. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, what is Life Coach Launch? What is Life Coach Launch? Why do we come out with Life Coach Launch? And why are life coaches flooding to it to start getting help with making more money? And ultimately, right, Life Coach Launch is going to be a 3-step selling system that we developed here at Life Coach Launch and that I developed here, Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, on a 3-step selling system that life coaches can use to go out there and make consistent sales by using profitable presentations in their businesses as a business model every single week. Now, Life Coach Launch originally came out as a course, but the truth of the matter is we found out very quickly that courses are really only worth as much as paperweights. That's the truth of the matter is that over 98% of people, after they buy a course, don't implement the things in the course, and because of that, don't see the success they want to see. So what we started doing was we started running events, right? And we started running masterminds around Life Coach Launch and the idea, and we started signing up hundreds of life coaches who wanted to get help with not only understanding the 3-step selling system, but by getting help implementing it so that they could create their first or their next 10K paydays as a life coach or healer very soon. And I'm a big believer that, information is only worth so much, right? I mean, like, everything that we teach in Life Coach Launch to a certain degree, right, besides like our own take on it, can be found on Google. The information's out there. I'm not trying to, go out there and create something that has never, like some PhD, something that's never been in the marketplace. I'm out there trying to put together information out there that's going to help you get to the goal, the life coaches get to the goal that they want to get to even faster. And that's ultimately why they pay me. And that's ultimately why you as a life coach is going to be getting paid to begin with. We got to remember that, right? We're helping people not only get to a goal, but helping them get there faster. So Life Coach Launch is going to be a 6-module course that usually people get as support to come into one of our events, whether that be 10K Payday or Life Coach Launch live events, or workshops or profitable presentations and stuff like that, or ultimately where they sign up to work with us in our masterminds or in our intensive programs. But ultimately, it's the system that we talk about, we work with people with, and that we help them implement. And we're going to be going over the 3 steps of that system with you here in this video here in just a bit. Before we go over the 3 steps of the Life Coach Launch system, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers so they can go out there and create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses using profitable presentations in 30 days or less. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so the first things first, right? What's the first thing we need to be focusing on in the Life Coach Launch system? But what's the first thing we need to be focusing on, right, when it comes to making money as a life coach and making more of it right here in the next 30 days? And the first thing that we talk about in Life Coach Launch is going to be classified as what we classify as identification. Okay, so identification falls into 3 specific things. Identification is going to be identifying who it is that you're wanting to work with, picking your perfect profitable niche, right? It's going to be by creating core marketing messages. We have 3 specific core marketing messages that we go over with you in Life Coach Launch that we want you to create. And then we talk about you creating an irresistible life coaching offer that's going to be so irresistible that your prospects and people that see it that need your help with that offer are going to feel absolutely stupid at saying no to it. And we have a specific 6-step system in Life Coach Launch that teaches you how to do that. But ultimately, those are the 3 things that we want to make sure we tackle in identification. When we're tackling those things in identification, when it comes to our niche, our messaging, and our offer, it's going to be a lot easier for us to demonstrate, start talking about, and start getting people to start looking at us and start running our way, start getting help with, right, with the specific offer and the specific things that we're going to be helping people with, because we were able to identify the people that needed the help. We were able to start communicating with them, and now we have a specific offer that can help them. They're going to start running to us in droves so that they can start getting that help. All right, so now you know the first piece. Let's go into the second piece, which is really the heartbeat of Life Coach Launch and what everything centers around, right? We wouldn't be making any money, right, if we weren't doing these, right, consistently. And these are going to be our profitable presentations. So what is a profitable presentation? It seems like on almost every single video here on our channel and every single video that we shoot here at Life Coach Launch, we're always dovetailing back into profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is going to be where you go out there, right, and you put on an event. That event is going to be where you are helping someone with a problem that they have so that they can not only hear about how you can help them and by you telling them or someone else telling them, but you can demonstrate how you can help them by actually helping them at that event. And then at that profitable presentation, you're simply just going to transition into making them an offer at the end of that profitable presentation. And then for the people that you helped, and for a lot of people that came to that profitable presentation, they're going to say yes to that offer, and they're going to say yes to getting more help at the end of that profitable presentation, and you are going to be able to sign up new clients at this profitable presentation every single time. All right. So you're like, okay, well, that makes sense, right? I can put on a profitable presentation and I can go out there and make money with it. That makes sense. Well, how do we go out there and start making more money? How do we make more sales? How do we do it consistently? And how do we get to our first or our next 10K paydays by creating more impact, which is the third piece, right? And what does impact mean? Impact means helping more people, having more people, be influenced by you, and ultimately having more people be seen by you who want to get your help. We got to remember that by going out there every day and making more of an impact, right? We're going to be making money as a byproduct of that, but it's a byproduct, right? We're going to be helping more people in front of that. By helping more people, we're going to be making more money. So by understanding, right, creating more impact simply means is that we want to go out there with profitable presentations and run them consistently. This isn't a one-hit band. This isn't a one-hit wonder, right? Like this isn't you putting out something and hoping to get famous because you had one single that went live, you did one time that was able to sign you up a couple of people. The truth is by running profitable presentations consistently, and we recommend running profitable presentations, every single week at Life Coach Launch, you're going to be able to stay in front of people who need your help. You're going to be able to consistently have people that need your help in front of you, and you're going to be able to go out there and sign up a lot more people faster with your profitable presentations, a lot more faster, and make a lot more money as a life coach a lot quicker. Are you a life coach who's looking to go out there and make more money? Well, I just got done with a brand new guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and it's a free gift for you for visiting my channel that you can grab right now in the description. Just go down there into the description and click on the link to grab your free 22-page guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And in the Life Coach Launch Guide, we're going to show you our simple 3-step selling system here at Life Coach Launch. It's going to help you go out there and create your first or your next 10K payday for your life coach and healing business in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. Just make sure to click on that button down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by going down there right now and grabbing your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and we'll see you in the next video.